Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mushakkal Me. Hope you all are doing well, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful no water marble nail art perfect for the summers. All the products that I've used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I hope you all are watching my videos. They are really easy to create nail art videos which are really short, max 5 minutes videos, and it will not take much of the time from your busy schedule. So please subscribe to my channel guys and show some love to me. I have already applied 2 coats of the white polish here and it allowed it to dry completely. Now with the help of this yellow polish, I'm going to apply random nail polish on my nail. Now I'm using green, and now with the help of a transparent polish, just try to spread that color around. And now I'll be applying the orange color, and using the transparent polish again I will try and spread the color. There shouldn't be any extra polish on the brush, so just spread it around the nails, especially the corners. This is how your nail art should look like once you're done. So I'll be doing the same on all other nails. So guys, you need not use the same colors that I have used here. You can use colors of your choice that are available with you. So guys, when you are using the transparent polish, remember that there shouldn't be any extra polish on the brush. You're using this polish just to spread the other colors around. So don't forget the edges and the corners. Be as creative as possible. This is a very easy and mess-free no water marble nail art. So I'll repeat the same steps on all my nails. And this is how it will look like once you're done. It's beautiful, a splash of vibrant colors, perfect for summer. Now I'll be using the glitter top coat because I love glitter. Allow your nail art to completely dry, and for the left hand, as usual, I've applied the simple white nail color, and voila, there you have it, a beautiful, simple and easy, vibrant pop-up color, perfect for summers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel Mushakkal Me and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Your subscription really matters, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this nail art. Until next time, bye.